recently how I mix my pans. So I'm gonna do this video here for you to show you whether you're a pro or beginner, how you mix this mud with only 6-inch knife, pan, and one of those tile sponges. That's how I've been doing it for 15 years. So put the pan up here, sponge, dip, squeeze all that water in there. If you're new, clean water is the best. It helps this stuff from drying way quicker. But you can always use 20-minute. There's the 20 right there. After that, take your bag. I usually just take my 6, stab it, then tear it open like this, and then you can tear the top off. There you go. So after that, you're gonna take your mud and pour it on top, and you're gonna want to move back and forth like that. And you're just pouring enough to where you see the water kind of come up on the sides here. See it coming up on the sides? And test it out. Take your knife, squish it around, back and forth, back and forth. If you watch what I'm doing, I'm going down. As I tilt the pan down, I'm going up. Put the pan up, I'm gonna put the knife up, moving it around. Now this is a little thick. Glad it showed out. So this is a little thick. You don't want it this thick. So take the sponge, add a little more. Looser is better, I would say, especially with 5-minute. You have more time to play with it, but you're gonna go back and forth. So you tilt the pan back, knife back, pan up, knife up. You're just gonna go around like that. Then you scrape the mud off your knife, take on the edge, go around, get all that crap in the corners, lift it up, lift it up, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. And there you go. Okay. You can do it looser. I'm doing a ceiling patch, so right now I want to make it a little thicker. That's it. You're good. Throw it on. No drills. No mixing paddles. Just get old muscle. Hope that helps somebody.